model. This data set sales is between 2010 and 11. And something about the data now. This data contains information about the sales value in dollars of the year 2010 and 11. Now, some of the features of the data are: it has 4,248 instances and 20 features that are the columns, and the target variable in this data is sales of this data. This scatter plot clearly shows the maximum sales in the state of California, which is touching 900, and it also matches with the state of New York. And the scattered plot is a plot which helps to know the maximum amount of, in this case, which helps us to know the maximum amount of sales. Here the x-axis represents the states and the y-axis represents the amount of sales, and it is highest in California. Now the rank widget shows the variable according to their correlation with the target variable, and it then ranks the top 5 which are mostly correlated with the target variable. And as you can see, the top 5 are area code, state, market size, and profit. And now the second page is about the distribution is a set of different graphical presentations which we can see to know the relationship between the different aspects which are present in this data. Here we have took it the first as frequency and the sales. Here we can see that the most number of frequencies are with the sales amounting to 100. This shows that there are transaction happening of when the people are ordering the quantity 100 and the frequency is about over crossing the 1200 limit. And and the second graph is about the frequency of sales with respect to the states. And this, we can see that the 100 amount is ordered by the people, but the state which is it is ordered from is Ottawa, amounting to 100 capacity of sales, which clearly shows that the lesser the sales amount, the more is the frequency. And the third page is that the data sampler widget. This is a widget which is in the orange tool, which we have to do it to predict the value for the accuracy. And in this, we are gonna first make a data table using the sample data, and then we gonna make a data sample using the remaining data, so that we can predict the data which is missing in the remaining data. And this is a test and score. Here you can see the R2 variable, which is 0.72. This means that the data accuracy is 72%, and therefore it is a reliable data. And now with the prediction, and this predictions shows the an amount of error in each of the component, and there are not much error in this thing. And this is also the R2 value of this is 0.722, and therefore the percentage amount of this data which is reliable is 72.22. Therefore this data is reliable and we can use it in the future. That's all. Thank you.